Hi, Tampa Bay. This is Britta Becker with Tampa Bay Real Estate Company. By the way, if you find any value in this video, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any more real estate tips coming down the pike. Let me get started. With the 2024 election now behind us, you might be wondering what's in store and what those results may mean for our local community here in Tampa. From housing and taxes to local development and lifestyle changes, today I'm going to break down what you need to know exactly about these shifts and what might impact your daily life here in Tampa. Whether it's through federal, state, or local policies, we often see shifts that influence things like property values, infrastructure, cost of living, and even job opportunities. Tampa has grown rapidly over the most recent years, and with this election, we may see further changes that will impact our way of life both in the short and long term. Let's start with housing. Tampa has seen a booming real estate market. I've talked about it at length in many of my other videos, with property values rising significantly. Post-election, the housing market could experience either stabilization or more growth, depending on economic policies that may impact interest rates, mortgage availability, or tax incentives for home ownership. If interest rates are low, it could mean continued demand for homes and even higher property values. Alternatively, if rates increase, we could see more balanced pricing, which of course is good for first-time home buyers, but not especially great for sellers. Now, let's talk about taxes and the cost of living. Federal and state policies around taxation often change after elections, and Tampa residents could see a shift in property taxes, income tax, or even sales tax. It's important for current homeowners and new homeowners to stay informed about these changes and any tax policies that obviously will affect you and your budget, of course. On a local level, Hillsborough County officials and Tampa officials, for that matter, may adjust their budgets and taxes to fund new projects or accommodate this increased growth. This means you may see shifts in local tax rates that will influence housing costs or just general public services. Infrastructure and community development. This is a big one. Tampa's growth has led to more traffic and increased demand on public services. Post-election, we may see new funding or infrastructure projects like road expansions, public transit enhancements, or even new public spaces. These projects can take time, and no doubt they will, but the results could lead to better connectivity, less congestion, and an overall better living experience, particularly around downtown Tampa. Plus, improving infrastructure can make Tampa more attractive to businesses, which brings me to my next point: job market and economic development. Tampa has become a popular destination for businesses, and we've seen tech, healthcare, and finance sectors here expanding like crazy. Please see one of my other videos for that information. Post-election policies that support business growth or incentivize companies to relocate could mean even more job opportunities here. This is great for the local economy as new jobs attract new residents and further boost demand for housing and services. However, with more demand, we may also see the cost of living increase. So it's a balance we'll need to watch closely. Environmental impact and sustainability. Tampa's coastal location makes it vulnerable to environmental issues like flooding and hurricanes. Post-election, federal and state environmental policies may direct more resources towards climate resilience and sustainable infrastructure. Initiatives aimed at protecting our coastline, enhancing drainage systems, or supporting clean energy could directly benefit Tampa residents. Keeping an eye on these developments can help us understand how prepared Tampa is for future climate challenges and how it can remain safe and an enjoyable place for everyone to live. In summary, Tampa is likely to see some changes following the 2024 election, from housing and taxes to job growth and environmental initiatives. The exact impact will depend on how policies roll out in the near future. It's essential to stay informed and plan accordingly, especially if you're considering buying a home here in Tampa. Tampa's growth and appeal are not slowing down, and with the right policies in place, our community could see even more improvements in infrastructure, economic opportunities, and overall quality of life. Thank you so much for watching. If you've found any value, please like and subscribe. Drop me a comment if you care to. All my contact information is below. This is Britta Becker with Tampa Bay Real Estate Company. I will see you next time. Thanks.